Hey there, fruit lovers and gift enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make life's sweet moments even sweeter. Today, we're tackling something exciting: how to redeem your Edible Arrangements birthday gift for 2025. If you're one of the lucky ones who received a voucher, you're in for a treat, literally. Edible Arrangements has made gifting fresh, delicious fruit bouquets easier than ever, and with their 2025 updates, the process is smoother and more user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking your email or the Edible Arrangements app for your birthday gift code. This code is usually sent directly from Edible Arrangements or through their partners, so keep an eye out in your inbox or promotions folder. Once you have it, head over to the Edible Arrangements website at www.ediblearrangements.com. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's quick and free. Next, log into your account and navigate to the Redeem Gift section, which you'll find in the top menu or under your profile. Enter your unique gift code carefully into the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos, as codes are case-sensitive. After submitting, you'll see your available options based on the gift's value. For 2025, Edible Arrangements has added some cool new features, like personalized arrangement suggestions based on your past orders or preferences, so take a moment to browse. Now, select the arrangement that catches your eye. Whether it's a classic fruit bouquet or something more customized, choose your size and any add-ons. Then, enter your delivery details. Remember, for the freshest experience, opt for expedited shipping if possible. Review your order one last time, confirm payment if needed. Some gifts cover the full amount, and hit that Place Order button. And just like that, you're done. Your delicious gift should arrive in no time. If you run into any issues, like an invalid code, don't worry, contact Edible Arrangements customer support through their website. They're super helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. What's your favorite Edible Arrangements treat? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.